Good afternoon, scrappers. Thought I'd mix it up this week with this wonderful cement mixer. As you can see, it's not on a stand or anything. The stand is outside already. Yeah, I thought it was kind of interesting. I've already taken off the cover for the motor, which has got the on-off switch, which is here, which have a little bit of brass inside it, and we've got the power cable and plug. Let's get that out of the way. That was an absolute nightmare to take off. There's only 4 screws, but they were behind here. And then we have, if I can get a bit closer here, got a big motor on there. Obviously that'll spin round, and there's a belt attached onto the end of the motor there. The belt goes around there, which spins the mixer. So it's actually really simple, and there's not very much to it, but I'm really hoping that that motor is copper. It is, because the one I took out of tumble dry last week, it was a really nice big motor, and it was aluminium, so it's a bit disappointing. But anyway, we'll whip that off and see how much is in it. I say this is all steel, a few bits of plastic. There's not actually a great deal to it, and it's not that heavy. The heaviest part is the motor, so we'll just whip that off. There we go. Easy as. It was just held on with 2 of those. The belt's no good. I don't think I'll mess about with that. I'll just chuck that in as it is, because that's just all the old lump of iron. That can go out of the way there. Then we're just left with this nice motor, which looks like it's fairly easy to undo. There's a couple of screws there and some bolts there to get that plastic off. So I'll do that, and then yeah, see what we get. So taking out four screws like that, and then there's a circlip on the top, and that just pulls out. So I'll get that piece of plastic off the top, and then I'll put that in with motors, and they take that with copper bearing motors. So we'll do that, and then just whip out those 3 bolts there, because I don't like taking, well, I try to take plastic off everything if I can. Yeah, it adds to the weight, but I just think it's good to take things, well, take them as clean as possible. And also the yard, they get to know who takes in clean stuff, and they may well give you a better price if they know it's clean. Don't know if it saves them any time or not, or whether it's easier for them to sort. And it's only taken me 30 seconds to whip those off there. That's a nice piece of aluminium on the outside there. So try and get that off. May need a bit of persuasion. I've heard that Ian Matthews likes one of these. And there we go. Nice piece of alley. I can melt that, make ingots with. Really good stuff, that. Let's take that off. I'll even take this piece of metal off the bottom of here. So I just knocked that fan off the end of there, which was on the motor. Plastic, so it goes in the plastic pile. That's another piece of steel. And then I'm going to go out. I'm going to cut around here, and then knock that out to get the copper. So we're going to do that in a minute. Okay, so I'm just going to cut the copper out of this. Safety goggles and a glove. Can't see very well, so hopefully I'll catch this on there. There we go, easy as that, and it's all lovely copper. There's the button, there it is. Well, there we have it. That motor was an absolute nightmare. All the I had to cut it both sides and then knock all the copper out from inside there, because that was really tightly packed in. But is it worth it? Always. Just weigh that. The actual cement mixer, main part, weighed 20 kilos. Got another 2.5 kilos there. And then copper. How much we got there? There's 1/2 kilo of copper there, which is nice with today's prices. And also I've got the copper in the power cord. There's a little bit of brass there on the plug. There was one brass screw or nut on there. There'll be a bit of brass in this, possibly some copper too in the on-off switch. Piece of aluminium, 150 grams, and motor. So there we go. Hope that was interesting, something different to scrap. I kind of strung it out a bit. There might not be a video for the next couple of weeks because I'm moving house, but I'll try to do something. If nothing else, at least a video of my new scrapping area, which may be slightly smaller than what I've got now. And maybe something on the house move, we'll see. But hope that was interesting. Thanks for watching. Like would be brilliant. And subscribe if you liked it. Have a look through some of my old videos. Thank you to the new subscribers, that's brilliant of you, thank you. And I'll catch you in the next one. Keep scrapping.